What's up, guys? This is part 2 of how to make an Arduino circuit. Just like we did in part 1 for on Tinkercad, I think, right? So it's pretty simple. You guys need to buy to do this. I recommend it at least. Let me just get it right here. It's something called the Super Starter Kit. R3 project. It's really cool. It has everything you need for Arduino. Okay, so now we got that out of the way. What you need for this is, of course, a laptop to do your coding to make your Arduino light up, a breadboard small, something called the R3 controller board 1 PC. This breadboard small. So this is basically the Arduino we found in our tutorial. Breadboard small is what it's called in the tutorial, but it's actually called an 830 tie-point breadboard 1 PC. So we put that right here. Great, I'm gonna flip this right here so it can be like this. Okay, now that we have this done, we also need 2 cables. After we got this, let me just find a resistor. So you need one of these types of resistors. If I could just get one out. It needs to be 220. It needs to be 220 of these. So there's something like 220. It'll say it's, I think, the stripped one. Right here. See? It's stripped. It's not that. This is 110K, but this is 220. How you know it's 220 is that, I don't know if you guys can see this, but right here it says 220. So you take one resistor out. So I'm going to do that right now. And then you can just put the rest back. This is a really easy project. This is the basic tutorial, so it shouldn't be that hard. But after we got this resistor, we need to put it on minus B. Let me just put it in. You can bend it, just don't do it too bad, but this is what I have right now. So, after you do this, you want to take your LED light. Here, let me get an LED light right now. Let's get a blue one, just like it was. So you just need to take this LED 25PCS. I'm going to use this green one. You want to put this on E1, E1 for the shorter side, which is this side, is the shorter side. And then E2, which is this side, for the longer side. Great, I have this done. This is, as I said in the tutorial, basically halfway done. So, next, what you do is get one of your cables, put it on ground from the right side looking at this angle. So, right here, we want it to go to the digital PWM. So, as you guys can see, maybe, digital PWM, it says right here. Yeah, so first go to ground, just like in our tutorial, part 1. Go to our ground and go to -3, which is right here. Great, now we go to 13 and put it on, C2. Which is right here. Again on the anode, not the cathode. Okay, great. Now we move on to the computer part. You go on Google Safari, whatever you use, and you type here Arduino. So, so I typed it in. It should be the first thing you get. I go here, you should find a download somewhere. Yeah, downloads. You could download. So you go right here. So you go to software, go to downloads. Don't press this. You go down and get your device. Press anything on here. Just press just download. I already downloaded it. So once you've downloaded it, go to it right here. Great. Now we have this. Now from here, we have to go to our Tinker card. Yeah. So once you're signed in here, you go to circuits and you go to your latest circuits you've got. After you go here to your latest circuit, as mine is loading right now, but remember we go to our code, as I said in the tutorial, you go to blocks plus text, and now all of this, we want to highlight all of this, press Control C, Command C, whatever you have, and then go back to our Arduino app. Delete all of this because, as I said in the tutorial, this is basic code, like default. Then you just paste your entire code. Great. From this step, you can save it right here, but I'm just gonna quickly upload it. I don't want to save it. So as there's a problem with the board, if you get this, you might want to copy and paste it again. Oh yes, I forgot, guys. You also have to connect your Arduino to your computer. So I'm gonna actually do that right now. So I have it connected. I don't have it connected, so I'm just gonna take out my mouse cable and connect it. There should be some connecting, and then it has the default light. Great! You are almost done. After you copy and paste this, you press upload, and it should just quickly keep lighting up and start lighting. If it's not working for you like it is for me right now, it's probably because your resistor is not in very good. Now mine is working perfectly. Great. That is how you make your Arduino. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the Geek House and NASCAR FN. Have a good one.